everybody? I appreciate you clicking on this video. We did score some goodies the other day. There's also one in here from Walmart that I can't wait to showcase to you guys. It's pretty new for 2022. I've never seen one, but we scored it. And of course, I'm excited to showcase that to you guys. But before we get to that, we also have another mail call. Now, this is from Strictly Diecast. My man sent it over, and I don't know what's in there. But of course, you know me, guys. I get super excited to see what is in the box. So we'll go ahead and place this bag right here and jump straight into this. A huge thanks to you for sending whatever is in here. All right, let's see. Oh, I see a Porsche. There we go. But before that, all right, Jason, aka the Mustang Hunter. What's up, man? Hope all is well with you and your family. First and foremost, I wanted to say thank you again for designing my channel logo for me, because I still can't get over how freaking awesome it is. You're very welcome, my man. I actually had fun making that one. I love the retroness of it, and the colors and all that stuff, and then especially the way it came out. I agree, man. But yes, I absolutely love making logos and stuff, if you guys haven't noticed. Also, thank you for talking me into doing the channel stickers in the holographic, because it really makes them pop. Thank you again for the shout out as well a while back, because it definitely helped my channel grow. Awesome, man. Any way I can help, man, I am definitely here for everybody. Inside this box, you'll find 2 of my childhood cars that I know you'll love and enjoy, even though they're kind of rough. Oh man, dude, you didn't have to throw in your childhood cars. Also, you'll have a one-of-a-kind custom Mustang that should tie into your love of skateboarding as I did. An X Games inspired theme with it. Dude, nice. I also throw in my last channel sticker for you to put on the track or the wall of greatness. Nice. Oh, dude, you know you're going on there, man. Lastly, I put in my track contender for the Leap of Faith. I really hope you enjoy everything, and thank you for being a positive member in this awesome community. Also, thank you for your service, and keep us safe so we can continue to do what we love. Stay safe out there, man, and happy hunting. Your Hot Wheels homie, Strictly Diecast. Dude, thank you so much. Your words, of course, mean the world, and I'm glad that your channel is doing so well. I absolutely appreciate this, man. You didn't have to send what you sent. Here we go. Let's see, what is this one right here? New Porsche 911 GT3, and it is the track competitor. My dude sent the heat. Dude, I can't wait to see how this does on the track. That is awesome, man. Brand new Porsche 911 going up against the track. And here we go, guys. Here is his channel sticker. Oh, dude, that looks so sick in person. Look at that, man. Now, when my man said he loved retro themes, I just knew exactly what theme to throw on there. But dude, that is so sick looking. Look at that. Oh, nice. All right, so here we go. Let's leave the custom for last, and let's go with this bad boy right here. Ooh, nice. We got the Mustang Concept. My dude. There we go. Silver metallic. You got the black hash stripe tampos. PR5s that were originally chrome and red interior. Nice, my man. So this makes number 3 in the collection. So of course, you guys know I love variations. I love multiples of Mustang castings, and to know that these cars right here have been in your collection for a long time, dude, thank you so much for sharing this with me and adding it to my collection. Cannot thank you enough. So always appreciate more and more Mustangs, guys. Next up, here we go. We have the 98 Cobra. Look at this, man. This one is definitely seen some track days. It is the number 11 Digicam Mustang. Look at that, man. That is sweet. So I've actually gotten a few these past couple days of the 98 Cobra, of the same exact deco. The gold lace wheels, of course, you do have the gray interior, and it has been used, raced, and everything all in between. But like I mentioned in my last video, you can never have enough 98 Cobras. Alright, so here we go. Here is the custom. I cannot wait to open this, guys. Customs to me are even cooler than any premium or exclusive or supers, of course, because These are definitely one of a kind. You go, this thing is wrapped nicely. Ooh, look at those wheels. Oh man, look at that. Dude, that is wicked. Check this out, guys. 2007 Mustang casting with the Monster Energy livery, and it is strictly Diecast's channel car. Look at that, dude. That is awesome. Dude, the way those wheels and the glass and everything just ties together, dude, that is beautiful. Look at that. Man, those taillights are cherry, but I absolutely love the black and lime green color setup. Check out the fog lights, the headlights. Dude, nicely done. Oh, nice. You got MH on the bottom with the detailed exhaust, transmission, and rear axle. Dude, that is sweet. And of course, like he said, this is X Games era when Monster was just at the top of their game. They're still relevant, but dude, this is a beautiful Mustang. Look at that. Dude, that is so sick. Oh, that is nice. All right, let's go ahead and clean this up real quick. So here we go, guys. Check out this beautiful custom Monster Energy Mustang, man. That is so sick. I can see Ken Block or Travis Pastrana driving this thing. Of course, you got the 98 Cobra and the 2005 Mustang concept, but to top it off, we have my man's channel sticker to throw up on the track. This is definitely a sticker that needs to be on the track just because of the way the color highlights and hits off the holographic look. So dude, thank you so much for sending that, man. That is so sweet. His track contender is the Porsche 911, new for 2022, and I cannot wait to see what it does. But here we go, added to the lineup. So Jake, huge thanks for sending these cars, man. That is so awesome. And of course the custom, freaking beautiful, man. So what we got from Target / Walmart, first one is a Target haul. This is the new next gen NASCAR, guys. Check these out. Now, this is the test car, and I am stoked to have found the new Mustang. If you guys remember the release of the cars when they brought them on the showroom floor, this is the livery. They have all three, but I didn't find the ZL1 Camaro in the livery that they released it as. But here we go. This 7th gen NASCAR looks amazing. Love the blue on blue. Of course, the really nice GT500 front end on this thing. So, dude, this is so sweet. So this is wave number 1 of 2022. Love the blacked out next gen card on there. So here we go, grab the Mustang. Next one I did grab is the Camry, which is the same livery they showcased it as. There we go, red and white, looking super fresh. Another next gen test car. And I love the wicker bill that they threw on there. Dude, super, super cool. The next one is the Camaro, but it's not the ZL1 livery. It is the number 3 Austin Dillon Bass Pro. But here we go, another beautiful car to throw into the NASCAR collection. So check it out. Love the wheels that they put on there, those BBS style wheels. Definitely dig that. Next one is a Transport, and it's the new Lancia Stratos. Check this out, man. This hauler is super sweet. Loving the livery on this thing, the red and white with the gold 6 spokes. That thing is nice. You have the number 96. Of course, there's the full car right there. Now, this is out of the series with the Porsche 917 LH, which I do have. And I have this one, and I left the Rebel machine because it's just not something I want in the collection. But I never pass up a Lancia. Just absolutely love these cars. And this hauler is super cool. Now, the next one is from Walmart. This is new from Greenlight, and it is a blue chase car right here. Check it out. It's the 1960 Corvette from Riptide. It's straight out of Greenlight, and instead of the green wheels, Walmart exclusive chase has the blue wheels and blue base. I'll have the regular one on screen so you can compare it, but there we go. This is my first green light chase that I found in the wild, but this is going to a good home. I actually had it in mind when I picked it up that it was going to a good buddy of mine. So David, hope you enjoyed this, man. But that is a cool chase to find. There we go, guys. Hopefully you guys have subscribed and followed my man over at Strictly Diecast. If you haven't, I'll have his link down below. Definitely go show my man support. Everyone in this community is awesome, and you guys see it day in and day out. So that is all we have for this episode. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up, and of course comment down below as always. And until next time, guys, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.